Today, we'll learn colors in English and Japanese. Colors are 色 in Japanese. 色. Apple is red. Red in Japanese is 赤. 赤. Ocean is blue. Blue in Japanese is 青. 青. This flower is yellow. Yellow in Japanese is 黄色. 黄色. She's drawing green leaves. Green in Japanese is 緑. 緑. This is purple smoke. Purple in Japanese is 紫. 紫. She's making pink origami. Pink in Japanese is ピンク. ピンク. This bear is brown. Brown in Japanese is 茶色. 茶色. This buffalo is black. Black in Japanese is 黒. 黒. This heron is gray. Gray in Japanese is 灰色. 灰色. This mouse is white. White in Japanese is 白. 白. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.